Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change screen time passcode on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on screen time. Once you click on screen time, scroll down the screen time page. Then go ahead and click on change screen time passcode. Then spot that says change screen time passcode, turn off screen time passcode and then cancel. To change your screen time passcode, click on change screen time passcode. Then enter old screen time passcode. Now go ahead and enter your new screen time passcode. Repeat the new screen time passcode. And then type in your Apple account, email or phone number so that you'll be able to recover your screen time passcode if forgotten. And then type in your password. You can also cancel to change your screen time passcode without your Apple account. Then go ahead and click on skip. And that is it. Then you should see your screen time passcode changed. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to change screen time passcode on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.